Hello dears, let's look at the Nifty and Bank Nifty trades today. Uh, this is what zones which we had today morning, right? Yeah, this is what happened in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So this was a zone. Um, so the first trade which I took in Nifty, so this was the trade. So let me draw in PDH uh, to make you understand more clear. See, I took a first entry at this point, not just because of previous day high. So I have recognized this whole area as a weak sellers. So I expected the price to go up and I entered at this point, but there was a no momentum. I exited at this candle with small SL, and that is what I have mentioned here. Uh, this one, so 15 points SL, so entered here, keep an SL here, but I got exited with small stop losses. And I have mentioned at 10:36 the setup is still valid, re-entry is possible for the long. So 10:36, this is the candle. So I was expecting a long entry here, and it was triggered in the next couple of candles. So again I entered a long here, expecting this time with a huge momentum from this level to this zone. But what happens, there was a momentum failure happened in this area, and you can look at the trouble area which I mentioned as 17,190. 17,190, this is a 17,190 area, and this is a trouble area for me. So I expected a price to takes out this zone and trade above, but um, price actually faced a lot of trouble, takes up this zone. So I entered partially at this place and put in SL at cost, and due to this total decay, I was exited when the price was reaching somewhere at this region. So I made at least 1:3 in this zone, uh, having a stop loss of 15 points, and just made up 50 points. It's almost 1:3 in this trade. After that, I didn't get any entry in this area. I was expected some sort of things to happen at this area, but I'm not satisfied with the movement happened the Nifty, so I shifted to Bank Nifty movement. And this one was discussed during a live stream. Just again, we conducted a 1 hour session here, almost 47 minutes. So I have mentioned at this point, when the price is like trading at this point, no, so I have mentioned this one. So there was a few possible price movement may happen, but if this happens, I look for a BOF, and that is a long entry. Otherwise no long entry. But what happens, it wasn't long entry, it triggers in 1 minute. You can see it is actually immediate reversal happen over at this place. So I entered a long here with small SL of some 30 points at this point to this area. I kept an SL just below to this area, somewhere 30 point, and my trouble area, I mentioned this one as a trouble area, 37,620, 37,620 zone. And look at the same story happened. The price is facing a lot of trouble in this area. After that it reversed, that is a different story. But I exited again 50% position and kept a stop loss at the cost, and I made a 1:3 again at this area. Not 1:3, it's more than 1:3. So it's somewhere around 30 point SL, and made, yeah, it is 1:4 trade of booking a 120 points, which is not big, but again during these days, 1:4 is actually good, because since the price is not traded with huge momentum from the morning. So I'm happy with this, capturing this momentum, and exited 50% and kept an SL at cost, and it takes out while price is coming here. And after that I didn't take any entry, and this was not a part of my game, this was not part of my analysis, and I was expected this to take out and go further here, but it reversed. The good decision is exiting a partial here and kept a stop loss at the cost. So this trades ends up with some profit, and this is what I have mentioned here. So entry, BOF entry in the lower time frame, exiting 50%, keep SL here. It takes out SL, no worries. We made some money out of this area, at least 1:3, 1:4. That's what. So three trades totally. So first trade was loss, second trade was small profit, and third trade was it's actually a decent profit. And altogether we took uh, all the decisions well. Not, I mean, and on a overall we took more right decisions than wrong decisions. So this day went well. So full of uh, understanding, full of learnings today. So hope it may continue in the coming days. And if you are new to this channel, you can uh, consider joining a Simple Trader Telegram channel where you can host a live trade every day during market hours, and you can join and you can understand the trading, how to trade without any indicator or without any patterns of any data. So I welcome you there. So as always, together we grow. Thank you.